Big Johnny, I'm gonna throw this big gum, cut the notch out right now. Brother carrying that last piece of block wood. I don't know if you can tell, we got a chain up there holding the two sides together. When it falls, you'll see here in just a second. I had a little confusion, not confusion, but Big Saw ran out of gas. I don't know if you can tell. He's cutting with an 025 ground saw, do the rest of it and get it on the ground. And when she falls right here, you'll see why you put a chain on them. See it busted apart.